Flash here, and today I'm going to show you how to enter past and new performances or PBs into WODIFY. So to enter these performances, starting at the daily WOD page, and this is the same no matter what page you're on, be it the calendar, the coach board, the whiteboard, leaderboards, whatever. What you want to do, you want to go across the top here and find the My Performance tab at the top of the screen. Click on this and it will take you to a screen titled My Performance Card. To view past efforts in particular WODs, you'll head over to this sidebar here, on the left hand side of the screen, where you can select from gymnastics, weightlifting, metcons, weightlifting totals, my PRs, and then finally add performance. So for example, if you wanted to view scores from your past few metcons, you would come up to metcons and click on the metcons icon. From here a table appears. So reading left to right, on this table is the date the metcon occurred. So let's say on the 25th of the 1st, which was a couple days ago, we had a metcon. Then it goes across and we have a brief description. So 3 rounds for time, 10 bicep curls, 20 tricep extensions, blah, blah, blah. Next, I'll column across. It'll show us where this took place. So this took place at the affiliate at CrossFit Fornix. The next column across is the class. As this was accessory work, I did not put a class in. So there is no class for this one, but if we drop down, this metcon happened to occur at 4:30 p.m. open gym. The next column across is results. So that will be your score. The next column across is whether or not you went RX. So if it has a blue circle in it, it'll be RX. However, if it's a grey circle, it means you didn't go RX. The next column is the type, so whether it's an AMRAP, for time, for distance, for weight, whatever. And then the final column is any notes that you wrote as well. So you can also filter through any of these by using all these different abilities at the top of the screen as well. So to enter new performances, you want to go back to the My Performance card page. Then from this sidebar on the left, you want to go down to the Add Performance button and click on this. So from this page, it will say Add Performance, and then you'll see this type bar. So in this example, I'm going to use weightlifting. Then a drop down will appear that says Component. This component is purely just the movement. So for this video today, I'm going to use back rack lunge. And then I'm going to click on this Add button. So now reading down from the top of the page, it will say Add Performance, the type, which is weightlifting, the component, which is back rack lunge, and the date. So this is the current day that you are actually entering it. Now this doesn't matter whether it's the current date or if you happen to remember the exact day that it happened on, by all means you can click on here and this calendar that we're now familiar to drops down and we can choose the date in the past that this actually happened. But for now, I'm just going to leave it on today's date. In this bar that says rep scheme, I'm going to enter 5 by 10. So how we read this is 5 sets of 10 reps. So when you see this written out, what's going to happen, this rep scheme is going to be taken and written in front of the component. So you'd read the whole title as 5 by 10 back rack lunge. So when I go to enter my score, the sets, because I have 5 here, I would put the number 5. For the reps, because I've had 10 reps here, I'll write 10. And the weight, I'll put 80 kilos. In this bottom section, this is the notes section. So once again, just like entering any normal score, you may put any notes that you want to in here. Once you're happy with what you've added, click on Save. And this green box will drop down telling you that you have successfully saved your performance. So from there, if I then wanted to view that to make sure it's definitely in there, I would go to weightlifting, the side. I would then go to back rack lunge. Happened at CrossFit Fornix, 5 by 10, and the weight 5 by 10 at 80 kilos. So it is recorded. So the next time that back rack lunges come up in a workout, I'll have a little graph next to my name and I can hover over that and it will give me all this information so I don't actually have to remember it. So that's everything that you need to know, guys, about entering past scores into WODIFY, so that way you can keep track of everything. Thank you very much, and we'll see you at the gym.